I've always been someone who hasn't loved asking for help. Being I am a military veteran, one, I would just be really grateful for the opportunity to receive this financial support. I think it would definitely help with buying scrubs or business attire clothes that I would need to wear to work. Not everyone gets that opportunity.
The Mesa Impactship Program is unique in that it provides students with financial support and compensation, as well as academic credit for their experience with workforce training. Students are able to apply what they're learning from the classroom and take that into industry and getting hands-on experience with employers.
We're always looking for new opportunities to engage with different organizations who potentially could consider hosting interns, but also that could sponsor them directly by providing that financial support to those students.
So there is a lot that goes into making this successful, and funding is critical. We need to find a stable source of funding that allows us to sustain and grow the program.
This has been the busiest semester so far with all of my internships, with the public defenders and with the judge and with the congressman.
As someone who grew up in a very urban area, being able to have this internship really has helped me kind of establish some basics, leaning into my interests in sustainability.
With the Mesa Impactship Program, we have been able to support over 700 students. We see the student growing, transitioning from being an intern and all the way to entering the workforce at a living wage.
These are students who are well-trained, who are eager to learn, and who they're also learning potentially what would the future look like if they work for your organization.
But this is the first step. And everybody starts somewhere.